Hi Aries, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. This is your love reading. This is for the next 15 days. So Aries, let's see what do we have in store for you. We will see your person's energy, your energy in love, and we'll do a small reading for singles also. And let's see who's coming towards you, singles. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, that this will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And at the end we will see what does your person feel about you. Like if they would tell you something, what would it be? So we will see some messages from them. We'll also see the advice at the end. So guys, I have already shuffled the cards because I don't want the reading to be too long. I want to keep it short and simple because I'm going to do some love messages also at the end for you. So we plus the advice also. So I don't want the video to be very long. So I've already shuffled the cards and kept it here. I hope you can see this clearly. Aries, this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And if you're a cross watcher, you can always reverse the energies, okay? So Aries, now as far as your person is concerned, I feel guys that this person is somebody who has trust issues right now. They do not trust you completely. They feel that you are hiding things, Aries, okay? This person that you're dealing with, they literally feel that you're hiding things or you're not being clear. It's like they feel that you are a mystery to this person. They are trying to know you more. This person that you're involved with, they want to know everything about you, okay? They are very curious. They want to know everything about you. This person is somebody who has trust issues, okay? So they do doubt on you, and they are trapped in these negative thoughts about you. And I feel the same is with you too. It's not just them, I feel it's both of you. So you both are thinking a lot about each other. Either you think negative about each other or you are doubting each other. So that energy is very prominent here, okay? So I feel guys, this person is somebody who wants to know you. They are trying to know you. This person is very serious, Aries, okay? So there is no doubt about it. Your person wants to marry you. They see you as their ultimate wish fulfillment. They see you as somebody they can spend their entire life with. They see you as the right marriage kinds. So it's just that they do not trust you right now. So this person is somebody who may not tell you, but they are secretly trying to judge you, secretly trying to know you. And also this person is innocent, okay? I don't know why I get this. You are involved with a person who is very innocent, okay? Now this person is not happy without you. I don't know why I feel that this person is having sleepless nights over you since last few days, okay? They are just not this was in reverse. We had the Knight of Swords in reverse, Justice in reverse. So I had few cards reversed also. This person is having sleepless nights over you, Aries, okay? So especially yesterday night, this person did not sleep at all. For some of you this could be yesterday night. For the others of you, this person is not sleeping well since last few days. So they are worrying a lot, thinking a lot about you. Like they want clarity in this situation, but then they love you also. So you do not have to worry. This person loves you. Now as far as you are concerned, Aries, I don't know why, for you are in love with this person. There is no doubt about it, okay? But this message is for some of you, not all of you, okay? So there is a particular message that I see. Now Aries, I don't know why I feel now this message is not for all of you, Aries, okay? This is for some of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Aries, some of you, I feel that you have been emotionally unavailable to this person, okay? It is like either you are using this person physically, okay? You are attracted to this person, so maybe you're using this person physically, but you're not really serious about this person. This person is innocent about that, okay? But then they have a doubt about it. So I don't know why I get this, Aries, especially if you're a masculine energy. I feel that you are trying to use somebody, so please don't do that. I have few cards negative here and few cards in reverse position, which is trying to tell me that you guys have to be careful about the karma, because every act that you do or every action that you do today, you have to pay for it later, okay? So please make sure that you're not hurting this person, whoever you're involved with, and you're being honest. Either you are in love with that person or you are not. So if you're not in love with this person, just go and tell them that you need time. Okay, you don't have to use somebody and then, you know, you just don't have to play with anyone's feeling. Okay, Aries? So guys, this is for some of you, not all of you, so please don't take it literally. Okay, so the others of you, if you're not this person, then please don't take this message, but I do have this message for some of you. So for the others of you, I feel that you have left this to a destiny. It's like you don't know where is this relationship heading to. Okay, it's a roller coaster ride as of now for you. You don't know whether this will succeed or not, but you're still going with the flow. And some of you, I feel that you have left it to destiny. You are like, if this has to be, it will be, or if not, then you're willing to let this go, you know, that kind of energy. So you have surrendered to the universe. Okay, Aries, some of you, I do sense that, but yes, you are in love with this person, no doubt. As far as the outcome is concerned, this relationship is very beautiful. I would say there are very strong chances of this relationship heading to a marriage, because as far as your person is concerned, they are crystal clear. They want to marry you. It is you, Aries, okay, who may be unsure about this person. So this person wants marriage with you. They're very serious with you. There is no doubt about that. Maybe you are the one who is not sure about this person, okay, and you are going with the flow, that kind of energy. As far as the outcome is concerned, I do see movement. You both are going to talk to each other. I do see you guys spending good time, quality time with each other. I also feel that this person is going to come and talk to you, or this person, you can expect communication from this person. Do expect communication, do expect a marriage proposal from this person. All right, so this person is very serious, whoever you are involved with, Aries. Now before I proceed further with the love messages, Aries, let me speak about singles. Okay, singles, some of you, I feel that you are in this place where you are moving forward with a heavy heart. You feel that you have not got justice in some way. Okay, it's like maybe your relationship ended and you're not happy about it, or you feel that you didn't deserve it. Okay, some sort of that energy. Maybe you were treated wrong, or maybe your person left you all of sudden, or I don't know, it could be anything, but you feel that justice has not yet been served to you. So you are moving forward in life, but with a heavy heart, and you are determined to move forward, but somehow deep within you want justice. You want your person to pay back for what they did to you in the past. Okay, now singles, for the others of you, I do see that there are many people who are dying to be with you. All right, but maybe you're not ready to open your heart to this person. Okay, so you're moving forward, but you're not ready to commit to anybody as of now, singles. So as far as who is coming towards you, I do see Aries, Leo, Saggy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Libra coming towards you, singles. So I do see this person heading your way, but this is going to take some time. It is not going to happen so early. It may take 3 months, 6 months for some of you. All right, so let's see what are the love messages for you. We'll see what love messages do we have for my Aries. If your person has to tell you something, what would it be? Okay, as far as career is concerned, guys, I do see you guys traveling soon. Okay, so maybe you will get an offer, and or you will get a job in a different location, different country, different city. You may travel soon. I do see a lot of travel as far as your career is concerned. For some of you, I feel that you are you're doing something that is connected to your family. This could be a family business, or you already have enough, you don't need to earn more, you know, but still you're trying to prove your point. Okay, so I do see you involved in your family business, and you're content. Whatever you are doing, you're content. There is no pressure on you as of now. For the others of you, I do see a business proposal, okay, that has come your way. So if you feel that there's a business proposal that has come your way, you can accept it. It is something very good. If you have got a business proposal, you can accept this. Okay, So let's see what messages do we have for my Aries. It is like, what does your person think about you? All right, so I think I'm going to keep these cards here, and so that you can see them properly. I promise you union. Okay, so if you're not in talking terms, this person is coming back to you, whoever you are dealing with, accepting that I had to lose you first so that I win you in the end. All right, so maybe you're dealing with somebody who may have lost you in the past. It's like I do see separation. Maybe you both lost touch. I do see separation in the past. So maybe you were friends in the past, or you were dating, but then you lost each other, you broke up, or you went separate ways, and then after few years you have come back together. But your person is trying to say, or this person is trying to tell you, that they had to lose you first so that they can win you at the end. So this time they are not going to let you go. Okay, Aries, I see your face everywhere. This person is madly in love with you. Look at this. They see you everywhere. I keep seeing your name frequently, so this person keeps seeing your name frequently, Aries. My life is not as together as it seems. This person is in a mess right now. This person is trying to tell you that they are going through a lot right now. Maybe they don't show it, but your person is dealing with a lot of things right now. Okay, they are in a mess right now. Maybe they don't show it. I keep hurting you because of the pain I'm going through. So maybe this person does hurt you sometime, or whatever it is, but this is only and only because they are going through a lot right now. So whoever you are dealing with, if you feel that this person does hurt you, or they ghost you sometimes, or something like this, or they say something that may hurt you, this is only because this person is going through a lot right now. What else? I hope you can forgive me one day. So maybe this person, okay guys, I don't know why I feel some of you, you're dealing with someone who may have hurt you in the past. Okay, maybe you were involved with, maybe you're involved with somebody who was a friend of yours in the past, or who was an ex of yours in the past. They did hurt you few years back, and then after a long time you both have come together, and now this person realizes your value, and so they are asking you to forgive them. Okay, so that is there. Now let's see what advice do we have for you. We'll see if we have any advice for my Aries here. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Luck is on your side, Aries. So whatever you are trying to manifest, whatever you are trying to do, you are going to succeed. Okay, I've got this card. New moon in Saggy, luck is on your side. Okay, so maybe some of you, you're trying to do something, or this could be, as I said, a new business, or this could be this love relationship, whatever it is. I think luck is on your side. So whatever you do will happen. You will succeed. Okay, so this message I have got twice already. So you are going to succeed. Luck is by your side. We have the wheel of fortune also here, if you see. Okay, you're very close to achieving your goal. Oh my god, look at this. Both the cards are trying to tell you the same thing. Don't give up. Okay, so you're very close to achieving your goal. Some of you, maybe you're going to get commitment from this person, or you're going to get married, engaged, or this could be as far this could be in your career also. Maybe you're trying to do something, you want victory, whatever it is, you want victory in certain area of your life. So you're very close to that, guys. Okay, so don't give up. Don't give up. Any other message for my Aries? Expect powerful change. Wow. So things are going to change in your favor, Aries. All right, things are going to change in your favor. Expect some powerful changes in your life. So you guys are going to have a good time now. So things are going to change. It's like a dark night, a dark phase is going to end, and you're going to see the bright sun now, Aries. Okay, so that is it, guys. I really hope this resonates, and you enjoyed this reading. So if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below if this resonates. Okay, so you guys take care, be safe, bye.